symposium will focus ethical and legal aspects in the area of health data, in particular genetic data. And one topic for discussion might be the challenges brought by the reform of data protection rules in the EU and the ethical and legal challenges of health and big data and data protection in the cloud. On May 2016, so this year, entered into force a new EU regulation on the protection of persons with regard to the processing of personal data and on the free movement of such data. And EU member states have to transpose it into their national law by May 2018, which is, of course, a big challenge. So we now face challenges regarding the need to conciliate data protection of privacy and human dignity, and at the same time develop tools that allow to apply bioinformatics for global identification of genetic susceptibility to cancer and clinical management. And the organizer of this mini symposium felt the need, and I quote, to find a common ethical and legal framework to facilitate genomic and clinical data, global science collaboration, and responsible research conduct. And we have a group of renowned speakers that will address very relevant topics in this domain. Vincenzo Pascale, researcher in forensic genetics at the Forensic Genetics Laboratory Institute of Legal Medicine, Università Cattolica del Sacro Cuore in Rome, Italy, who will speak about ethical and legal aspects of giant database storage. We also have Ana Marzo Portera, a lawyer, co-founder of Equipo Marzo, an expert on data protection and new information technology consultancy. Anna will talk about legal horizons in the treatment of genomic data, opportunities, boundaries, and gray areas. We also have Ferranz Carreras, professor of biostatistics and biomedical informatics at Pompeu Fabra University, who will talk about data protection in the cloud. And we have Carlos Romero Casabona, professor of criminal law at the University of the Basque Country and an expert in law and the human genome, who will talk about health, big data, and the cloud, a new challenge for law. And now I will give the floor to our speakers, and I invite Vincenzo Pascale to start his talk.